Hey guys, so today we're going to be working on this caterpillar mask in the hoop embroidery file. I will have it linked down below in case you want to make it yourselves as well. So yeah, let's get started by first inputting all of the colors and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're ready to start. I have the hoop with the stabilizer in here, and the first thing the machine is going to do is create the placement stitch so we can layer the first fabric. And so let's start. I'm going to stop the machine and now we're going to place the fabric on top. So I'm going to place the fabric on top and now it's gonna stitch again holding the red fabric. So I stopped the machine again because now in the white areas we're going to place the purple fabric. That's going to be the little purple ear part. So let me grab that. Okay, so I have the fabric. Now let's get started, and again it's going to create a stitch to hold it in place. Okay, so I stopped the machine because we're going to take it out of the hoop and we're going to cut around the ears, removing the extra fabric. So yeah, cut all around for both. Okay, so yeah, I went ahead and cut as close as I could to the stitch line, and now we're going to go put it back in and continue with the rest. Okay, so now it's going to stitch the eyes, the fabric for the eyes. Okay, so I have the fabric. Let's start the machine again. Okay, so I cut all around as close as I could, and now we're going to start the machine. For the next couple of steps, it's just going to work on the little details on the mask, and I'll be right back. So I stopped the machine once I finished making the red satin stitch around the mask, because now we're going to take out the hoop. Okay, so let's flip the hoop to the back. We're going to be adding a piece of fabric facing the right side up. You can either tape it down, or we're going to be trying out this basting adhesive that I got from Amazon. I saw a couple people on TikTok, I think, use this, and so I wanted to try it out because normally I just tape the fabric. But yeah, it seemed to work. It was not falling. Again, it's just like a temporary glue to hold the fabric. So yeah, okay, let's go back to the embroidery machine. We're ready to start the machine again. It's gonna create another stitch to hold the top and bottom fabric together and create a couple more stitches on the mask, and then we're almost done. And ta-da, we are done with the mask. So let's take it out so we could cut it out. And yeah, this is how this in the hoop embroidery mask turned out. Excited to add more designs to the shop. So yeah, I'll link everything down below, the file and all the material that I used in this video. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.